So on the custom pan assignment, I'm giving you the start of the pan, which is or the base of the pan, how big it's going to end up, a 3-inch by 5-inch pan. I'm telling you the height of the sides and the size of the hems, and you've got to lay it out from there. Okay. So if we start with the end in mind, or if we look at the finished product here, we start knowing that there's a 3-inch by 5-inch pan. If we have a 1-inch side on each side and a 1/2-inch hem, our total width is going to be a 1/2 inch plus 1 inch plus 5 inches. Well, this way it would be 3 inches. Sorry, that's messed up. 1/2 inch plus 1 inch plus 3 inches plus 1 inch plus a 1/2 inch equals 8 inches total. So we have 8 inches this way. If I measure across this way, I've got a 1/2 inch plus 1 inch is 1.5 inches, plus 5 is 6.5, 7.5. Did I do that right? No, I didn't. 7.5, 8. 3 by 5. What did I miss here? 3, 4, 5. Oh, I added this one wrong. This would be a 6-inch by 8-inch pan. So 1/2 inch plus 1 is 1.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6. So it'd be 6 inch this way by 8 inch this way. And that's what we would call a starter, because that's what we need is a blank sheet of paper to start with. And I'll just go over folding this up one more time. So you've got your instructions. You're going to lay this out on a sheet of material, and you would fold up or hem your edges, all 4 edges first. Then which sides do we have to fold? One with the tabs. So we're going to break those up next. And then we're going to decide if we want to tuck our tabs in or leave them out. Personal preference. We'll tuck them in. And finally, you can give some tape to these 4 corners once they're squared up or perpendicular. And you're done. Keep this with it. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to actually build a sheet metal or a paper version or origami version of this, and then we're going to take this into the shop and build a sheet metal version of it and use the tools for that. Questions about the custom pan? So when you get done with this one, I'm going to give you a slip of paper. Now all the custom pans have different dimensions on them, so it makes it a little more challenging. They're not all the same. And then you will build a custom paper pan, and we'll take it